Welcome to GK Guruji channel. Today we read most important current affairs this month series 2. Series 1 link in description box. Let's start. 1. Under which rules? Google India released its compliance report regarding deletion of contents. A. IT Rules 2000. B. IT Rules 2019. C. IT Rules 2021. D. IT Rules 2007. Correct answer. C. IT Rules 2021. 2. Who holds the world record in women's triple jump? A. Tatiana Lebedeva. B. Inessa Kravets. C. Yulima Rogers. D. Olga Rypakova. Correct answer. C. Yulima Rogers. Notes. Yulima Rogers won a gold medal at Tokyo Olympic Games on August 1, 2021 and created a world record in the women's triple jump. She jumped 15.67 meters. 3. In which district of Uttar Pradesh? The foundation stone for Ma Vindhyavasini Corridor project has been laid recently by Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister. A. Gautam Buddha Nagar. B. Mirzapur. C. Agra. D. Kanpur. Correct answer. B. Mirzapur. Notes. Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister, laid the foundation stone for Ma Vindhyavasini Corridor project at Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. 4. Which is the first digital investment platform to launch UPI-based auto-pay functionality for its MFCP investments in India? A. MobiKwik. B. Paytm. C. PhonePe. D. Google Pay. Correct answer. C. PhonePe. Notes. PhonePe became the first digital investment platform to launch UPI-based auto-pay functionality for its mutual fund, MF, systematic investment plans, SIP, and offerings in India. 5. In which month and year, India recorded the highest monthly merchandise export? A. September 2020. B. August 2019. C. May 202L. D. July 2021. Correct answer. D. July 2021. Notes. In the month of July 2021, India has recorded the highest ever monthly merchandise export. Like, share and subscribe. 6. Who has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Armenia? A. Nikol Pashinyan. B. Artur Sargsyan. C. Aram Vardavanian. D. Armen Sarkisyan. Correct answer. A. Nikol Pashinyan. Notes. Nikol Pashinyan, the chairman of the Civil Contract Party, has been reappointed as the Prime Minister of Armenia. 7. Which bank has been impaneled as an agency bank to RBI in August 2021? A. HDFC Bank. B. IndusInd Bank. C. ICICI Bank. D. Syndicate Bank. Correct answer. B. IndusInd Bank. Notes. Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has impaneled IndusInd Bank as an agency bank to RBI. 8. Which state government has launched Bhukamp Alert app? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Uttarakhand. C. Assam. D. Sikkim. Correct answer. B. Uttarakhand. Notes. The state government of Uttarakhand has launched an earthquake alert app which is named Uttarakhand Bhukamp Alert. 9. Which state government recently decided that no Gorkha citizen will be prosecuted under the Citizenship Amendment Act 1955? A. Manipur. B. Sikkim. C. Assam. D. Nagaland. Correct answer. C. Assam. 10. Lavlina Borgohain, who won the boxing bronze medal in Tokyo Olympics, is from which state? A. Sikkim. B. Assam. C. Odisha. D. Mizoram. Correct answer. B. Assam. Notes. Indian boxer Lavlina Borgohain won the bronze medal in women's welterweight, 69 kg, category at the Tokyo Olympics on the 4th of August 2021. The 23-year-old from Assam lost the semi-final to Turkey's Busenaz Surmeneli, 11. Praraz Khadka, a sportsperson who retired recently, was associated with which sport? A. Hockey. B. Cricket. C. Kabaddi. D. Table tennis. Correct answer. B. Cricket. Notes: Paras Khadka. The former captain of Nepal cricket team has retired from the international cricket at the age of 34. 12. Which organization has been nominated to execute the project of enhancement of digital appeal at National War Memorial? A. Bharat Electronics Limited. B. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. C. Bharat Dynamics. D. Defense Research and Development Organization. Correct answer. A. Bharat Electronics Limited. Notes: Bharat Electronics Limited has been nominated to execute the project of enhancement of digital appeal at National War Memorial. Like, share and subscribe. 13. Which of the following is the key objective of the Airports Economic Regulatory Authority of India Bill, 2021? A. Construction of small airports. B. Modifying of small airports. C. Pairing of smaller airports with big airports. D. None of the above. Correct answer. C. Pairing of smaller airports with big airports. Notes: with the passage in Rajya Sabha, Airports Economic Regulatory Authority of India, Amendment, Bill 2021 got approval of both Houses of Parliament on August 4, 2021. 14. Which Indian visual artist and illustrator has won the 2021 Eisner Award? A. Anand Radhakrishnan. B. Sajata Keshavan. C. Aksar Pathak. D. Gopinath Prasanna. Correct answer. A. Anand Radhakrishnan. Notes: Indian visual artist and illustrator Anand Radhakrishnan has won the 2021 Eisner Award for Best Painter, Multimedia Artist, Interior Art. 15. Which country won gold medal in men's football in Tokyo Olympics, 2021? A. Germany. B. Mexico. C. Spain. D. Brazil. Correct answer. D. Brazil. Notes: on the 7th of August, 2021, Brazil won the gold medal in men's football at the Tokyo Olympics by beating Spain 2-1 in the final played. 16. Recently, which bank has been impaneled by RBI to act as an agency bank? A. HDFC Bank. B. ICICI Bank. C. Canara Bank. D. Karnataka Bank. Correct answer. D. Karnataka Bank. Notes: recently, Karnataka Bank has been impaneled by RBI to act as an agency bank to facilitate transactions related to government businesses. 17. Who is the only fencer from India to qualify for Olympics since the fencing sport was introduced? A. Bhavani Devi. B. Biki Thokchom. C. Einar Arora. D. Riya Bakshi. Correct answer. A. Bhavani Devi. Notes: Bhavani Devi is the first Indian fencer to ever qualify for the Olympics after qualifying for the 2020 Summer Olympics. 18. Which year has been declared by United Nations as International Year of Peace and Trust? A. 2020. B. 2022. C. 2021. D. 2019. Correct answer. C. 2021. Like, share and subscribe. 19. Which date of August is celebrated as World Lion Day? A. the 10th of August. B. the 12th of August. C. the 7th of August. D. the 9th of August. Correct answer. A. the 10th of August. Notes: World Lion Day is celebrated on August 10th every year in a bid to raise awareness on lions. The day also seeks to mobilize support for protection and conservation of lion. 20. What is the theme of India's first Internet Governance Forum, IIGF? A. Realizing opportunities of the 21st century for all. B. Inclusive Internet for Digital India. C. Science and Technology. Rural Development. D. Optimizing human potential towards a resilient future of shared prosperity. Pivot. Prioritize. Progress. Correct answer. B. Inclusive Internet for Digital India. 21. PM Modi has addressed the industry in an annual meet. Which organization is the host of this meet? A. Confederation of Indian Industry. B. Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India. C. National Association of Software and Service Companies. D. Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Correct answer. A. Confederation of Indian Industry. 22. Along with which organization? Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has launched a loan interest subvention scheme to provide financial assistance to energy biomethanation projects. A. International Atomic Energy Agency. B. United Nations Industrial Development Organization. C. United Nations Environment Programme. D. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Correct answer. B. United Nations Industrial Development Organization. 23. To which state, UT, NABARD has sanctioned loan worth 188.81 crore rupees under RIDF? A. Goa. B. West Bengal. C. Manipur. D. Sikkim. Correct answer. A. Goa. Notes. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, has sanctioned loan worth 188.81 crore rupees to Goa. 24.7 th IBSA Academic Forum is being hosted by the Research and Information System for Developing Countries. Where is the headquarters of Research and Information System for Developing Countries located? A. New Delhi. B. Rio de Janeiro. C. Cape Town. D. Hague. Correct answer. A. New Delhi. 25. Which national park has become the first national park in India to be equipped with satellite phones? A. Jim Corbett National Park. B. Bandhavgarh National Park. C. Kaziranga National Park. D. Sundarban National Park. Correct answer. C. Kaziranga National Park. Notes. Kaziranga National Park has become the first national park in India to be equipped with satellite phones. Like, share and subscribe. 26. What amount has been released by the PM as seed money for 7,500 SHG members under PM Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises Scheme? A. 35 crore rupees. B. 45 crore rupees. C. 15 crore rupees. D. 25 crore rupees. Correct answer. D. 25 crore rupees. 27. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of National Payments Corporation of India? A. Nupur Chaturvedi. B. Vijay Shekhar Sharma. C. Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. D. Roshni Nadar. Correct answer. A. Nupur Chaturvedi. Notes. National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, has appointed Nupur Chaturvedi as the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of NPCI. 28. Which state, UT's, Police Department has launched an A4 initiative? A. West Bengal. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Kerala. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer. B. Madhya Pradesh. 29. Which state, UT, has launched the Clean City app? A. Delhi. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Sikkim. D. Telangana. Correct answer. A. Delhi. Notes. North Delhi Municipal Corporation, NDMC, launched Clean City app on August 13, 2021. It was launched by North Delhi Mayor Raja Iqbal Singh ahead of the 75th Independence Day. 30. In which country? Asia's first medical wastewater treatment using electron beam (EB) technology has commenced operation? A. Japan. B. South Korea. C. China. D. India. Correct answer. C. China. Notes. Asia's first demonstration facility for medical wastewater treatment using electron beam (EB) technology has started operations in China. Thank you for watching this video. To get more videos, stay with us and subscribe our channel.